Let the fun games begin with the Diecast Cruiser's Catapult truck. World Tech Toys is thrilled to introduce this amazing 13-piece playset. It includes the Catapult truck, 4 cars, road signs, a gas tanker, and a parking attendant. Get ready to launch the cars through the included fire ring. Pull back the lever, put your car in, press the launch button, and watch it fly. It's that easy. You can also slide down the ramp for a smooth glide through the fire ring. The Catapult truck also has lots of space to transport your cars. Hours of fun are in store with the Diecast Cruiser's Catapult truck, only from World Tech Toys.